Understanding Student Forums, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we'll explore the concept of student forums. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding this topic is crucial for your academic and online communication. So, let's dive into it. Student forums are online platforms where students gather to discuss educational topics, share resources, and seek help with their studies. These forums can be part of a school's website or independent platforms. They are important for collaborative learning and peer support. Student forums serve multiple purposes. Knowledge sharing. Students share notes, study tips, and learning resources. Discussion and debate. Forums provide a space for discussing course material, current events, or academic theories. Problem solving. Students often seek help with homework or understanding complex topics. Building a community. Forums create a sense of community among students from diverse backgrounds. To make the most out of student forums. 1. Be respectful. Always communicate politely and respect other members' opinions. 2. Stay on topic. Contribute to discussions relevant to the forum's purpose. 3. Protect your privacy. Be cautious about sharing personal information. 4. Utilize search functions. Before posting a question, search to see if it has already been answered. 5. Engage actively. Participate in discussions and offer help when you can. Participating in student forums can be incredibly beneficial. It helps in improving language skills. Engaging in discussions can enhance your English vocabulary and writing skills. Gaining diverse perspectives. Forums bring together students from around the world, offering different viewpoints. Enhancing academic performance. Sharing resources and tips can improve your study habits and academic results. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what student forums are and how they can be beneficial for your learning journey. Remember, forums are not just about taking, they're about giving too. So, go ahead, participate, learn, and contribute. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.